Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, wishing all of you a very happy month of Ramadan or Ramzan. I'm not very well versed with the pronunciations as well as the culture altogether, but I just wanted to wish you a very happy Eid in advance as well. And I wanted to do this tutorial. I asked on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see a more simple look or a more glam look. Majority of you, 57% of you actually voted for a simple look. A lot of you actually ended up DMing me that it's super hot and you want to have a tutorial which won't melt down on your face, is light on your face, and just not supremely heavy or something that would weigh you down. And this look is going to be exactly that. This look won't melt down. I have used affordable products and I've also used cruelty free products. I'm not sure about the halal certification of these products. Some of them are vegan, some of them are halal certified as well, but all of them are cruelty free. So that's a yay. And they're affordable as well, so again another yay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, wishing you guys a very happy Eid from my side. Also, if you guys would still like to see like a glammed up Eid tutorial, then do let me know. I would work as hard as I can to get another video up tomorrow for you guys. So please do let me know. And of course, if you have any suggestions about the look, then please do leave them in the comment section down below as well. And yes, without any further ado, now let's get into the video. It's a very super simple tutorial. You don't need any tools except just one beauty sponge, and that's it. That is everything you require to get this face on. So yeah, let's get started. I'm starting off by taking a toning mist by Indulgeo, and I'm just going to be spritzing it all over my face. This will prep up my face for the moisturizer, for which I'm using Disguise's Rainbow Oil. This will not only act as a moisturizer but also as a primer, and it will give your skin a beautiful glow. It is so nice for dry skin type, but if you have oily skin, you can just use slightly less and get the same effect. Then next up, I'm going to be taking PAC Spotlight Concealer in a shade which is very close to my own skin tone, and I'm going to apply it on my under eye as well as a mouth area. I'm not using any foundation, any BB cream, anything whatsoever. I'm just using a concealer which has a nice coverage, and this concealer also sets really quickly into place. So even if you don't set with the amazing amount of powder, it won't crease all day long. So I'm just blending it out. As you can see, I haven't applied it on my eyelid area because I'm going to be keeping it bare. The natural discoloration of your eyelid would act like a shadow, sort of like a shadow. So I'm just blending it underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to be blending out my mouth area. And after I'm done with that, whatever's left on my sponge is something I will just apply all over my face, so it would just add a little bit of coverage all over without anything feeling super heavy or cakey. And then next, to set everything into place, I'm using NYX Set It and Don't Fret It matte finishing powder. This is such a softly milled, beautiful powder. It won't feel heavy on your skin at all, and it's gorgeousness, pure gorgeousness. So I'm just setting first the places that I've consciously concealed, and after that I would also be setting the places that I've not concealed. So it would just help in getting a nice matte finish all over my face. Next up, I'm taking LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in a darker shade. Again, this concealer is something that sets in really quickly, and I'm going to be contouring or slightly bronzing up with this. I'm using a very tiny amount. I'm not going overboard with it at all, and I'm just blending it out into place with the same sponge that I've been using all along. I'm not changing any tool, so I'm just using that same sponge, blending everything out. And after that, I'm going to go in with blush just to make sure my cheeks look healthy. So I'm using this Colorbar blush, and I'm going to dip my sponge into the blush and then just stamp it on my cheeks. I will also be stamping it on my nose as well as on my chin just to get an overall blushed up look because it looks beautiful. For highlighter, I'm using NYX Wavy Glow. It's a liquid highlighter again which sets into place. So I'm just applying it on the tops of my cheekbones, and then I'm blending out with the same sponge. And with whatever's left on my sponge, I would be going in onto other places as well, which I generally like to highlight, which is the bridge of my nose, my forehead, as well as my cupid's bow. So I'm just highlighting there for a natural highlight, and using that same mist, I'm just going to be misting my face. This is not a setting spray, but it would still just take away any excess powder if you have any on your face and just refreshen it up again. For eyebrows, I'm using Essence Make Me Brow, and I'm just going to quickly brush it through my brows. This would help in ensuring that my brows look fuller naturally, and it's not going to look something that you've carved out or shaped or anything, but it will make your brows look beautiful, and that's what we are here for. Taking Plum Kajal, I'm just going to be applying it on my upper lash line first. I'm going in with very light hand because this Kajal is pigmented, and I'm going to be using my ring finger just to smudge out and blend out to get a nice smoky eyeliner effect. I'm gonna go back and forth with application and the smudging because I want it to be at a certain position. And once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna be taking Colorbar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. I'm just gonna be applying it on my top and bottom lashes both. You can of course opt for falsies. I wanted to keep this look beginner friendly as well, so that's why I'm not opting for falsies. Using the same highlighter, I'm gonna put it right in my inner corners as well as right beneath my brows on my brow bone to highlight them, and using my pinky finger I'm just gonna blend it out, so again it has that natural glow from within sort of an effect and not chunky or anything. This highlighter is gorgeous. Using Eva Halal's lipstick, I think I've used it in a couple of my other tutorials as well, but this color is beautiful. This is a Halal certified company. I'm just gonna be applying it all over my lips, and using that same powder I'm gonna set my lipstick into place because this is a satin lipstick. I'm also gonna be applying the powder on the lip line because that will help in the lipstick not bleeding. I feel this look was looking incomplete without lining my waterline, so I'm quickly doing that, and I'm also tight lining to finish up the look. So yeah, that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. This is a very practical look, very wearable, very doable. Would probably take you like 5 to 10 minutes max, tops, like literally tops. And yeah, I hope you guys will share your Eid makeup looks with me on Instagram as well. All of my social media links are in the bottom bar, so check that out. I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Bye.